Hi, I'm Deborah Gartenstein with Quirky Gourmet. Today I'm going to show you how to make a zucchini and tomato salad. Now, zucchini and tomatoes are both foods that are used a lot in Italian cooking. So I'm going to prepare them with seasonings that also go nicely with Italian food, like fresh basil. And so you can serve this with a lasagna or say with a polenta recipe, and it'll all go really nicely together. So I'm using a Roma tomato. It's a nice sturdy tomato. You can use almost any kind of tomato for this. And I'm cutting it up. I use a serrated knife because if you're anything like me and you don't sharpen your knives nearly often enough, then a serrated knife is much more forgiving, especially with a tomato because the outside can be kind of slippery. So I'm cutting this into nice, just small, bite-sized pieces. And here I have some chopped zucchini. It's nice local zucchini since it's the middle of the summer right now. And here's some fresh basil, also another wonderful summer offering. And so I'm going to kind of roll the basil and then just cut it in thin strips like this. I'm going to mix that with the tomato and the zucchini. And I'm going to season it with some olive oil and some balsamic vinegar. It's sweet and it's sour, and it goes great with tomatoes. And then just a little bit of salt and a little bit of black pepper. And this is going to be tasty in just a couple of minutes, and it'll be even tastier in half an hour or so, and the flavors get a chance to come together. So here you have the zucchini and tomato salad.